name is Selena. I'm 8 years old. Let me present you my new book called The Little Princess and the Colors of the Rainbow. I wanted to write a book because we read stories at school, and I want to put my book at the library so after people will remember me. The story talks about a princess who lost her mother, and when she looks at a rainbow, she doesn't see the colors, so she decides to find them back. This way she can forget her sadness. What I wish people learn with this story is that you cannot always be sad, and it is important to accomplish your goals. I wish you have fun with it. Thank you.
This book, The Little Princess and the Colors of the Rainbow, was written by 8-year-old author Selena Faye Goulet. The illustrations are the work of the artist and graphic designer Denis. This children's book is very useful to understand how we can help them manage their emotions, mainly the emotion of sadness. It's a beautiful story that ends well while providing a realistic thinking about the topic. With this beautiful book, we offer you a companion booklet that allows you, as an adult, to guide the child in its understanding of the themes and symbolism in the story. Afterward, you can do a lot of little learning exercises and easy-to-do scientific experiments with them that will help your kids integrate the concepts well. So while the child is reading the book with its reader, you can be a good companion with the booklet's file that is on your cell phone or a digital tablet. Everything is easygoing and done to help you, as an adult, to participate and guide the child with you. So I wish you a pleasant reading and a nice personal development.